Happy birthday, Mittu!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
ఏమిచ్చు ఎలా ఉన్నావు? మన మీతో చాలా రోజులు అయింది. నేను చాలా మిస్ అవుతున్నాను. 4 years బిఫోర్ మీట్ అయ్యాం. ఆ రోజు తెలియలేదు నాకు మనం ఇంత క్లోజ్ అవుతామని. నా కాలేజ్ లైఫ్ నువ్వు లేకపోతే ఇన్కంప్లీట్గా ఉంటుంది. ఆ రోజు చాలా బాగున్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ బంక్ చేసినప్పుడు అర్థమైంది నాకు మనం అందరం ఒక్కటే అని. మనం అప్పుడు సెల్ఫీస్ తీసుకుంటాం, ఎప్పుడు పైన దొరికిన అప్పుడు అంట. ఇంకా ఏం కనిపిస్తే అది ఫోటో తీసి పెట్టేస్తాం ఇన్స్టాలో స్టోరీ పోస్ట్ చేయడానికి. నాకు అందమైన రోజులు ఇంకా గుర్తున్నాయి బాగా. సో ఎప్పుడు నా నాతి మిచ్చుగా ఉండిపో. మనం ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ లాగే ఫార్ ఎవర్ ఉండాలి. మిచ్చు, విషింగ్ యూ మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే. లవ్ యూ మిచ్చు.
Hey Biju, I miss you so much. You're the craziest person I have ever met. ఏ క్రేజీ వర్క్ చేయాలని నాకు నువ్వే గుర్తొస్తుంది తెలుసా. ఫ్రెండ్స్ మధ్య గొడవలు రాకపోతే వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్సే కాదంట. మనకి అసలు గొడవలు తప్ప ఇంకేం ఉండవు. అందుకేమో మనం బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అయ్యాం. రిమెంబర్ ద హగ్. మనం గొడవ పడిన తర్వాత హగ్ చేసుకుంటాంగా, ఆ ఫీలింగ్ అసలు నేను ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయలేము. బెస్ట్ ఫీలింగ్. I miss those hugs and silly fights between us, Viju. Thank you for being there for me always. And నేను ఇప్పుడు ప్రామిస్ చేస్తున్నాను, నేను కూడా I'll be always there with you, no matter what. The days we spent in hostel were the most memorable one. నీకు గుర్తుందా, మనం వైఫై రూమ్లోనే ఫుల్గా ఉంటాం నైట్ అంతా. నిద్ర కూడా పోం. మార్నింగ్ నిద్రపోయి ఇంకా కాలేజ్కి పోం. Viju, this is for you. நீ என்னுடன் இருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு நிமிடமும் புனிதமான நினைவாகுமே. நம் நட்பு என்றும் பெருகுமே. నీకు తమిళ్ తెలుసు కదా, ఫైన్ ద మీనింగ్. బిజు, నేను చాలాసార్లు హర్ట్ చేస్తున్నా. ఐమ్ సారీ ఫర్ దట్. వన్స్ అగైన్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. లవ్ యూ బిజు. అండ్ జస్ట్ రిమెంబర్ దట్ నో వన్ కెన్ రీప్లేస్ యువర్ ప్లేస్. It's your birthday, let's celebrate. Happy birthday, Bichu.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mithula. Happy birthday to you. సో అత్తని అడిగి నీ ఫేవరెట్ 7 cups చేయించుకొని తిను. నేను మళ్ళీ నీకు కాల్ చేస్తాను. పక్కా అందరూ మాట్లాడదాం నీ బర్త్డే రోజు. ఐ మీన్ ఈరోజు ఆబ్వియస్లీ. సో అందరూ మాట్లాడతాం. అండ్ హోప్ యూ సెలెక్ట్ ఇన్ యువర్ డిజైర్డ్ కాలేజ్, ఇన్ యువర్ డిజైర్డ్ biotechnology college, whatever you want. And I know you want to settle in abroad, so hope you get that through your GRE exam. And by mistake also, if you forget me, which I'll not let you, but if you forget me, then I'll open up all your childhood secrets to everyone, you know. Or erra bandi secret kani oka roju nuvu nenu bani akka buytiki vellamu, you know, and we had some strange awkward moment. So I'll tell this to everyone. So, and all the best for your future. And I know in future when we'll become responsible adults, we'll be there for each other in good times and bad times. So bye, love you dear.
Happy birthday Michu akka.
Happy birthday Michu akka. Wishes from Dodo.
Hi Michu, happy birthday Michu. Wish you many more happy returns of the day, and I love you so much. And you know that Michu, whatever you desire, it will come true this year. Not this year, every year it will come true. Whatever you dream for, you wish for whatever it is, it will come true. And next year your birthday will be celebrated with Akka in America, and your life is going to be settled over there. That's the biggest dream you have, and I know that. And whenever I pray for you, I just pray for the thing that you have to settle in your life in America with a wonderful life partner. And
Hey Mitu, many more happy returns of the day. I hope your special day will you bring a lot of happiness and more fun and more love. Take care, bye.
Hey Mitch, happy birthday. You've been watching a lot of Money Heist lately, but I have a message for you in Spanish. Te quiero mucho. Try to find this meaning. Okay, lots of love from my side. Take care. Bye. Stay safe.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mithula.
Many more happy returns of the day, Mithila. May you blessed with full abundance, grace of God. This year will be a milestone for you to achieve all your goals. Be beautiful, grateful in your beautiful life. Many more happy returns of the day once again. Stay safe.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mithula. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Mitu, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed. This birthday will be a very memorable to you, I think so. So anyways, once again very happy birthday to you. Stay home, stay safe and take care. Love you.
Happy birthday to you, Mithu. Have a great year ahead. God bless you. Happy birthday, Mithula.
Hello, Mithu. Many more happy returns of the day. I can always wish you for health, happiness, and all that. But who cares? Enjoy your day. Have a blast. Happy birthday.
Hi Mithu, many happy returns of the day. లాక్డౌన్ అయ్యాక చాలా పెద్ద పార్టీకి వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాను నేను. ఇప్పుడు ఆంటీ వాళ్ళతో ఫుల్ ఎంజాయ్ చేయి. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే వన్స్ అగైన్. బై బై.
Hey Mithu, happy birthday. Don't miss your sister too much and see you soon again. Have a good one.
Hi Mithula, happy birthday. God bless you.
Hi Mithula, happy birthday.
Many more happy returns of the day, Mithila. I wish you all the success in your life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hey, hi Mithila. Many happy returns of the day. Have a nice time. Bye.
You are my MLA. You are my MLA. You are my MLA, my lovely angel, my lucky apple. Hi Mithila, I wish you many more happy returns of the day. ఇలాంటి బర్త్డేస్ ఎన్నో జరుపుకోవాలని అండ్ లైఫ్ లాంగ్ హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.
నమస్కారం మిత్రుల గారు, పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు అండి. మీకు బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి.
హాయ్ మై డియర్ మిత్తు, ఎలా ఉన్నావమ్మా? విష్ యూ మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ది డే. ఇలాంటి బర్త్డేలు ఇంకా ఎన్నో జరుపుకోవాలి అని నేను మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాడమ్మా మీ అన్నయ్య. లవ్ యూ మిత్తు, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
Hi Mithu, wishing you many more happy returns of the day. God bless you. Keep smiling always. Take care. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Mithula.
Hi Mithu Papa, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Viv. May all your dreams come true. நீங்கள் இருந்திருந்தால் உங்கள் பர்த்டேவை சூப்பராக செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணியிருக்கலாம். ஆனால் அன்ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி இந்த குவாரண்டைன் நம்மளோட வாழ்க்கையே கெடுத்துருச்சு. ஸோ இப்பயும் கவலைப்பட வேண்டாம், நீ திருப்பி வந்தோடனே சூப்பராக என்ஜாய் பண்ண போகிறோம். உன் பர்த்டேவை ஒரு பெரிய பிளாஸ்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஹாப்பி 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 பர்த்டே மிஸ். உன் கூட சேர்ந்து நிறைய அவுட்டிங்லாம் போயிருக்கோம். எல்லாமே வந்து எப்படி சொல்கிறது, ஃபன் ஃபில்ட் மூமெண்ட்ஸ் தான். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் கிவிங் ஆல் தோஸ் மெமரிஸ். காலேஜ் லைஃபே முடிஞ்சிருச்சு, ஆனால் அந்த மெமரிஸ் எல்லாம் கொடுத்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப 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 தேங்க்ஸ். இன்னும் நிறைய மெமரிஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே.
Hi Mithila, I wish you many more happiness of the day. I wish you have a happy, healthy and successful life.
Hi! Happiest birthday to you. இனிய பிறந்தநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். வாழ்க வளமுடன். என்ஜாய் யோர் டே. என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்கள், பத்திரமா இருங்க குவாரண்டைனால், ஓகேங்களா? ப்ளஸ் என்ஜாயும் பண்ணுங்கள். எல்லாம் முடிட்டோம், அப்புறம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட எல்லாருமே ஜாலியாக என்ஜாய் பண்ணலாம். ஹாப்பியஸ்ட் பர்த்டே. என்ஜாய் யோர் டே. பி சேஃப். எல்லாருமே பத்திரம், ஓகேங்களா? பாய்ங்க. ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Mithu.
Hi Mithu, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your life, stay blessed, stay happy. Have a safe and blessed birthday.
Happy birthday, Angel. On this birthday of yours, I want to say few words about you. No beauty shines brighter than your smile. You have made me a better person. Thank you for that. You, the best person that I ever met in my life, and I am so proud of you. I am grateful for your true friendship. I am so lucky to have you in my life. Love you, Mithu.
Hey Mithu, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day and of course year ahead, and wish you all love, joy, success ahead, and enjoy with your friends and family. It's been a while we have met, so hope we meet again very soon. And happy birthday with lots of love and blessings. So bye.
Hi Mithu, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Thank you for being one of my good friend. Always happy iru. Weekly safer day enjoy pannu. Bye.
Birthday Puchakai. Be happy. Always enjoy your life.
Hi Minnie, I wish you many more happy returns of today. Soon we'll meet again.
Hi Mithu, wish you a very happy birthday. Wishing you all the joy, happiness and success. And cheers to all the laughs and smiles who have shared these days. Stay home and stay safe.
Hi Mithila, hope you're doing good. A very happy birthday to you. Have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, me
Happy
too.
birthday, Mithu.
We miss you. Hope you're doing well, and we hope everybody's staying safe during the pandemic. And we hope to see you soon and come to India again one day.
Hi Michu, wish you many more happy returns of the day, Mithula. Stay happy, stay safe, be super cute, amazing, gorgeous Mithula, like how you are today. Always be like that. We love you so much, Mithula. We are missing you actually right now. This lockdown is so bad, but this is a quarantine birthday for you. Fortunately or unfortunately, you have to spend it at home. But once this quarantine ends, we'll meet up, we'll patch up, we'll do all sorts of naughty things, we'll have fun, we'll give a big treat to you, big cake cutting, blast, every mask pannalam, okay? We all love you so much, Mithula. Have a happy birthday.
Hi Mithu, happy birthday to you. Stay blessed, be happy. சீக்கிரமாக அமெரிக்கா போ, ஓகேவா? சாக்லேட்ஸ்லாம் நிறையா வாங்கிட்டு வா வரப்போ. அப்புறம் நல்லா ஜாலியாக என்ஜாய் பண்ண லைஃப்பை, ஓகேவா? மிஸ் யூ லா.
Happy birthday, Mithu.
I wish you many more happy returns of the day. Take care, be happy.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Mithu Papa, my little munchkin and my fun-loving kiddish sister. Why did I mention munchkin is you're my chotu. Like what is the exact meaning of munchkin is you are the one who teases me from the second year onwards, and that from the M3 class, and I love all of your teasings. So munchkin is nothing but one who endures all, one who loves all the funs, teasings, etc. So I mentioned you as my little munchkin. And why did I mention Papa is it is another way to address their dearly beloved younger sisters.
Hi Mithila, hope you're doing well and many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Mithila.
I wish you many more happy returns of the day, Mithila. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay safe. Hope you enjoy your quarantine birthday.
Hey Mithu.
Hi Mithu.
Happy birthday.
Happy quarantine birthday.
త్వరగా వచ్చాయి. We are waiting to see you here. Bye.
Many more happy returns of the day, Mithu.
Happy birthday Mithu baby.
Hi Mithu. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Stay home and stay safe. Bye. Enjoy your birthday.
హాయ్ మితు విష్ యూ అ వెరీ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే స్టే బ్లెస్ గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ అండ్ అన్నీ మీ లైఫ్లో మంచిదే అవ్వాలి అని కోరుకుంటున్నా స్టే స్మైలింగ్ స్టే సేఫ్ బాయ్